Time to make the main surface. So let's use bi-rail. We have 3 generation curves, so we need 2 plus there. And here we see that I actually have already turned on tangent continuity. So you see the red rectangle there. So you could turn that on because we would like to have tangent there and underneath as well. We didn't get that. It failed underneath, but that is not a huge problem. It's just couldn't do it perfectly. But try rebuild. Sometimes that helps. So by rebuilding in all kind of different combinations, you could also look at the visualization and see that you get as few isoparts as possible. If it's okay to deviate a little bit, I go for explicit control. It's a beautiful method of bringing down the mathematics, the number of CVs. So try explicit, but it could deviate even more. But sometimes that is not an issue. It's okay. So look at what you get with as few CVs as possible and just decide if it's good enough. So here we could come down quite low values and it looks really nice. So time to make a main surface layer and put it in there. And we could also hide all the other objects. And now we could examine this by turning on the symmetry. And look at that, that looks nice. So let's see what it looks with the zebra. Oh, beautiful. Oh no, look at the bottom there, it doesn't match. Okay, we take another tool and check the C curvature continuity, G2 continuity, and here no, it's obvious. We don't have that, we have not achieved that. On the top, it's a green C, beautiful. Let's use the symmetry plane alignment tool when this happens. So for the special case, it's really easy to fix. Yes, delete. Look at the zebra pattern. Beautiful. So this is a quick fix here, which is really nice to know about. So let's save this in a brand new file with a new file name. So if we like, we could go back and do it differently. Good.